Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 12th of October. So we'll start from class 7th and subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. Question number 1. Why do ventilators in room help cool the room during summer? Because we know that the ventilator let the hot air to escape. So the correct answer is option B. Next question. Question number 2, which of the following is not a component of a simple electric circuit? So we know that for a simple electric circuit, bulb is there, switch is also is there, battery is also is there, but electrolyte is not a component of simple electric circuit. Okay, so option D is our correct answer. Okay, this is not a component of simple electric circuit. Next question, that is match the column. So vacuum. We know that vacuum prevents the conduction and convection, that is mode of heat transfer. Okay, so for P I will write 4. Conduction only occurs in solid, so for Q I will write 2. Convection does happens in liquid and gases, so for R I will write 3. And as we know that radiation is the fastest mode of heat transfer that can occur in vacuum, so for this I will write 1. Correct code will be 4231. So 4231, that means option B is our correct answer. Okay, next question. Question number 4. An iron nail wrapped with wire is connected to a battery. It attracts spin when current flows. When disconnected, magnetism vanishes. What is the device formed here? So we know that whenever current passes through a conductor, magnetic field is generated, and the device formed will be called electromagnet because it is formed due to electric current. Okay, so option C is our correct answer. Next question number 5. A cyclist moves with a speed of 7.5 meter per second. What distance will be covered in 8 minutes? So first of all, we have to convert the time into seconds because answer is given in meter. So in 8 minutes, we know that if we'll convert it into seconds, we have to multiply it by 60. So it becomes 480 seconds. Okay. So if we have to calculate distance, so distance x will be equal to speed multiplied by time. Okay, so it becomes 7.5 multiplied by 480. 75 multiplied by 48, that is equals to 3600 meter. So the correct answer will be option A. Okay. Next question, that is assertion reason. Okay. Radiation is the fastest mode of heat transfer, as we have discussed in previous question also. Yes, this is true. Because in reason it is said radiation travels with speed of light as electromagnetic wave. This is also true and it is explaining the assertion. That's why we'll say the correct answer is option A. Next question, that is based on paragraph. Okay. Rohit built a simple electromagnet using a battery insulated copper wire and an iron nail. When the switch was turned on, the iron nail started attracting small iron pins. He noticed that as soon as he turned off the switch, the nail lost its magnetic property. He tried increasing the number of wire turns and found the magnetic strength is improved. That means is increased. Okay. So the question is, what caused the nail to act as a magnet? So we know that the wire itself is a magnet. No, wire is not a magnet. Okay. The battery attracted the pin. No, battery does not attract the pin. The current through the coiled wire induced magnetism in the nail. That is a true statement. Okay. So option C is our correct answer. Next question is based on same paragraph. Why did increasing the number of turns of the wire around the nail enhance a magnetic effect? Because number of turn is directly proportional to the strength of magnetic field. So we'll directly say more turns concentrate the magnetic field lines. So its strength will be also improved. So option B is our correct answer. Okay. Next question, that is question number 9, assertion reason. In assertion, a fuse melts when excessive current flows through it. Yes, this is true statement. That's why it will break the circuit due to faulty condition. In reason, fuse is made of high melting point material. No, this is false. Fuse wire is made of have a material having low melting point. Okay, tin and lead is used for it generally. So assertion is true, reason is false. So we'll say option C is our correct answer. Question number 10. Arrange the sequence of events that take place when an electric bell rings. Okay, so first of all, whenever we push the switch, we can say the current flows through the electromagnet, that is number one. Okay, the second is iron strip is pulled and hammer strikes the bell, due to which sound is created. So for Q I will write 2. Now after that, the contact breaks and current will stop, that means S is 3, and in the last strip return to the original position for restarting cycle, so I will write 4. Okay, so the sequence will be RQSP. RQSP, that means option C is our correct sequence. Okay, so we have discussed all the questions of physics subject. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss part 2 chemistry for class 7th. Let's discuss. The 11th question is, what does the following picture confirm? Let's think about the picture. It is iron which reacted with oxygen and water. So after reaction with oxygen or water, iron gives Fe2O3.XH2O, and this is the formula of rust, and rust has reddish brown color. Reddish brown color. Let's take the options. A. Change in temperature of the iron nail. No, there is no any change of temperature. Appearance of reddish brown layer and weight gain due to corrosion. Yes, this process is called corrosion, and because of the rusting, the iron nail becomes reddish brown and it gains some weight. So B option is correct. Loss of shine due to dust. No, it is due to the rust. So option C is wrong. Appearance of blue layer due to rust on iron nail. No, it is reddish brown layer, not blue. So the correct answer is B. Now the next question is, which of the following is are correctly matched? Now take the table, and here first substance is water. The pH value given as 7 and the nature is as neutral. So this is correct. Substance is human blood and pH value is 4.4. This is wrong because the human blood has 7.4 pH and the nature given as acidic, but the human blood is slightly basic. Lime juice, the pH given between 2 to 2.5, this is correct, but the nature is given as basic, that is wrong for lime juice. Baking soda, the pH is given as 8 to 9 and the nature is given as basic, this is true for the baking soda. So as we have to choose correctly matched, let's choose from the options. A. Second and third. No, both are the wrong match, so it is wrong option. B. First and second. No, second is wrong, so it is also the wrong option. Third and fourth. No, third is wrong, so it is also the wrong option. D. First and four. Yes, first and four are correctly matched, so the correct answer is option D, first and four. Let's take the next question. This is based on match the column. Let's discuss column 1. P. Tartaric acid. Q. Citric acid. R. Milk of magnesia. S. Caustic soda. In column 2, there is 1. Tamarind, 2. Orange, 3. Soap, and 4. Antacid. Let's match the columns. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind, so P is resembled with 1. Citric acid is present in orange, so Q is matched with 2. Milk of magnesia is present in antacid, so R is matched with 4. Caustic soda is used to form soaps, so S is matched with 3. Let's take the options. Option A, 1, 2, 4, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 4, 3 is correctly matched with PQRS, so option A is correct. Let's check the other options. B, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, it is wrong. C, 3, 1, 4, 2. This is again wrong. 2, 1, 4, 3. This is again wrong. So correct option is A. Now the next question is, which of the following reactions is a correct example of salt formation from acid and metal carbonates? Let's check the options. Option A is sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Now this is not the metal carbonate, this is base, so option A is incorrect. Zinc plus H2SO4. Again, there is a metal, not metal carbonate, so it is again wrong. Na2CO3 and HCl. Yes, this is metal carbonate and this react with HCl, then NaCl, H2O and CO2 are formed, and where NaCl is a salt. So the option C may be correct. Let's check the other option. CuO is reacted with hydrochloric acid and there is copper oxide. This is not metal carbonate but it is a metal oxide. So the D option is also wrong. So the correct answer is C. Now the next question is, which of the following is an example of a physical change in the human body? Let's take the options. A, digestion. No, digestion is not a physical change but it is a chemical change because there are some new substances are formed. Photosynthesis. Yes, photosynthesis is again a chemical change because in this CO2 combined with water in the presence of sunlight and water to form carbohydrates. Breaking a bone. Yes, this can be considered as a physical change because breaking a bone there is no new substance is formed. Respiration. Respiration is also a chemical change because in respiration again the new substances are formed. So the correct physical change from the option is option C. So the answer is breaking a bone. Now the next question, that is assertion reason. Assertion. Calamine can be used to treat a red ant bite. Yes, it is true statement because as we know that red ant sting has formic acid and calamine, this is zinc carbonate, and this calamine solution can neutralize the formic acid and we feel relief from the red ant bite. So take the reason. Red ant sting is alkaline and acids can neutralize bases. No, the red ant sting is not alkaline but it is acidic, and this is false statement. Now take the options. Both assertion and reason are the true and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. This is wrong. Both assertion and reason are the true but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. This is also wrong. Assertion A is true and reason R is false. This is the correct statement, correct option for the assertion reason question. And D, assertion is false and reason is true. This is again the incorrect option. So the answer is option C. Let's take the next question. This is paragraph based. A student takes a small amount of acid in one beaker and base in another. He tests both with red and blue litmus paper and record the color change. Now, he adds the base to the acid drop by drop using a dropper and stir gently and taste with the litmus after each drop. He stops when the solution shows no color change on litmus paper. He also checks the temperature before and after the reaction. This is a test of acid and base. Question 17. What is the evidence that a chemical change occurred during the activity? Let's check. There is a chemical change. A. Change in temperature. Yes, in a chemical change, there will be change in temperature. So, this can be correct. Litmus paper shows neutral color. Yes, if litmus paper shows neutral color, that means some reaction is here. Formation of salt and water. Yes, the formation of salt and water when acid mixed with a base, this is again shows the chemical change. D. All of the above. Yes, option A, B, C, these all are the correct for the chemical change. So, the correct option is D. All of the above. Now, the next question. Identify X, Y and the type of reaction. And this picture, X is Mg, this is magnesium ribbon, and when this is burnt, then Y, a white powder substance MgO is formed, and this occurred when oxygen combined with magnesium, then MgO is formed, and this is a combination reaction. So, the options are A. X equal to Mg, Y equal to MgO, and the type of reaction given as decomposition, that is wrong. B. X equal to Mg, Y is equal to MgO, and the reaction given as endothermic. No, it is also wrong, because this is the type of combustion reaction and a lot of heat is evolved. So, this is an exothermic reaction. X magnesium, Y equal to MgO, and the type of reaction is given as combination, that is true for the reaction. D. X equal to Mg, Y equal to MgO2 and exothermic. No, there is no MgO2, there is MgO. So, D option is also wrong. So, the correct option is C. Let's take the next question. This is again assertion reason. Assertion. All physical changes are stable. No, this is a false statement. All physical changes are not stable. Reason are, physical changes can be both reversible and irreversible. Yes, this is true. Let's take the option A. Both assertion A and reason R are the true, and reason is A correct explanation of assertion. This is wrong. Both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. This is again wrong. Assertion is true and reason R is false. This is again wrong. Assertion is false and reason is true. Yes, this is the correct option for the question. Now, the next question is, this is sequence based. Arrange the following processes in proper sequence to identify acidic and basic substances using turmeric. And there are first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth steps given. First is take turmeric powder in a china dish. Second, apply on a blotting paper and dry. Third is dip strip in solutions. Fourth is make paste with water. Fifth is cut the dried papers into thin strips. Sixth is note down the color. Now, choose the correct arrangements, correct sequence. In these 6 steps, we have to choose first step, This is first. Take turmeric powder in a china dish. After this, we have to choose the fourth step, that is make paste with water. Now, the second step is chosen, that is apply on a blotting paper and dry. After this, we have to choose fifth, that is cut the dried papers into thin strips. Now, third step, dip strips in solution. And the sixth step is taken as the last, that is note down the color. Now, options are option A, first, fifth, second, fourth, third and sixth. This is wrong. B, first, fourth, third, fifth, second, sixth. This is wrong. C, first, fourth, fifth, second, third, sixth. This is again wrong. And D, first, fourth, second, fifth, third, sixth. Yes, this is correct. First, fourth, second, fifth, third and sixth. So the correct answer is D for this question.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहां लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहां पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहां क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहां पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहां पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहां एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहां पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहां पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहां पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉग इन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 7th biology. Let's start. First question for biology. P has fine hair-like structure called cilia all over its body that help it to obtain food. P could be. It's mean a organism that contain cilia all over body. Amoeba, no, because contain pseudopodia for engulf food. Next, paramecium, paramecium structure contain cilia structure that help in engulf food. Hydra contain tentacles, so this is wrong. And yeast, no structure found, but surface area help in engulf food, obtain food. So our right answer is option B, paramecium. Paramecium contains cilia all over its body for obtain food. Next, read the following statement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Select the option that correctly fill up the blank in any two of the statements. First, dash tissue is involved in transportation of water and mineral in plant. Water and mineral in plant, that is xylem. Xylem help in conduction of water and mineral. Transpiration produce a pull in the plant that cause the water to move upward. That is a pressure, suction pressure. Next, translocation takes place through the cell of Translocation. Translocation takes place through cells of phloem. Phloem. And next, dash are known as soldiers of body. Soldier of body, that is leukocyte. WBC. WBC. First is phloem, no. C is wrong. And third xylem, wrong. Second suction, right, but fourth wrong. And according to 1, 2, 3, 4, A, xylem and 3. So right answer is option A. Option A is correct for this statements. Xylem help in conduction of water and mineral, that is right. And third, translocation takes place through the cells of phloem. Next, match column first and second. Earthworm, human, prawn and insect. Earthworm, human, prawn, insect. First of all, earthworm match with cutaneous respiration. Option 4, human, pulmonary respiration through lungs, and prawn relate with branchial respiration, because prawn is a aquatic animal. Next, insect tracheal respiration. So 4, 1, 2, 3 in option B. Option B is correct answer for this. Next, which of the following parts is not responsible for gas exchange? Stomata help in gas exchange. Root surface help in gas exchange. Xylem help in water and mineral transportation. Lenticles present at the surface of shoot for gas exchange, but xylem is not. So according to question, option C is right answer for this question. Next, the given figure show a setup at the start of an experiment X, and after a few days Y. The change observed in setup Y is due to. It means experiment is X and the change is Y. Option A, upward movement of food getting blocked. X and Y. Stem with phloem removed. Swollen tissue. Upside the cutting part. Stem with phloem removed in this portion in X and Y. Upward movement of food getting blocked, downward movement of food getting blocked, and upward movement of water getting blocked, downward movement of water getting blocked. First of all, our concept is xylem help in conduction of water and mineral. Phloem help in conduction of food. Food from leaf to all part of body. Body in multi-directional or bi-directional. Is mean this one is a branch, this stem, this root. Then food transport with the help of phloem. And xylem help in conduction of water in one direction in upside. According to this experiment, this site is swollen. It's mean food supply from this part to downward stop because we remove phloem. So this site is swell up. Downward movement of food getting blocked because we remove phloem and food from phloem to downward is stopped in this place. So right answer is option B. Next, assertion A and reason are. Aerobic respiration in multicellular organism involve the exchange of respiratory gases twice. Next, reason. Exchange occur from lung to heart and then heart to lung. It's mean 4-chamber heart, gas in auricle, then ventricle, then tissue, then heart, CO2 in ventricle and then lungs. Exchange occur from lung to heart, and then heart to lung, then heart to lung. These are the assertion and reason. According to this, assertion A is right, true, but reason is false because this is aerobic respiration, this is gas exchange, but reason explain circulation, blood circulation, not gas exchange, So reason is wrong, but assertion is right because aerobic respiration in multicellular organism involve the exchange of twice blood, tissue and cell. So these are right, assertion is right, but reason is wrong. Option C is correct for this question. Next, plants have different nutrition mode. Some makes their own food while other depend on other organism. Make their own food. These are called autotrophs, autotrophic plant, and depend on other. These are called heterotrophs. Parasitic plants take nutrition from host body. It's mean depend on host body. Next, the Venn diagram show the overlap between heterotrophic and parasitic plant. In Venn diagram, heterotroph and parasitic plant overlapping on P. Its point P. Option A, sundew. Option B, nepenthes, and option C, coscata, and last D, rose. According to this paragraph and this situation, autotroph and parasitic, coscata, if coscata is P, then coscata is heterotroph because depend on other, and parasitic plant because it present on other plant body for nutrition. So P is C, coscata is the right answer. Next question. Study the given flow chart carefully and select the option that correctly identify P, Q and R. Flow chart. It is an autotrophic plant. Yes, this one is autotrophic plant. If it is no, then called P. It's mean P is heterotroph or parasite. If not autotroph, then it is called heterotroph and parasite. Next, if yes, autotrophic, yes, it grow in nitrogen deficient soil. If yes, grow in nitrogen deficient soil, then R is that plant that grow in deficient soil. R could be an parasite leafless plant such as mistletoe. No, because mistletoe develop or grow in other host plant body like coscata. So it is wrong. It is wrong because R grow in nitrogen deficient soil to consume nitrogen from other source like insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plant grow in that condition. R could be Venus flytrap. R could be Venus flytrap which has special leaf modification to catch and digest insect, because in soil deficiency of nitrogen, so complete their nitrogen from digest insect. So R is right, B option is right, and Q, if not grow in soil that deficiency of nitrogen, in this case Q could be coscata, but coscata grow on other plant body. Other plant body is host body, and grow upper surface of plant and get nutrition from that host plant. So Q could be coscata, which is a rootless photosynthetic. It is not photosynthetic, it is parasite. So, and last option is all of these, but according to flow chart, our right option is B. B is right option for this question. Next, assertion A. Assertion A and reason are: respiration occur faster in actively growing plant tissue, and reason: actively growing tissue have a high demand for energy and biosynthesis. So, according to assertion and reason, assertion is right and reason explain assertion statement. So, both assertion A and R true and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. So, option A is right option for this question. Next question: which enzyme are likely to act on baked potatoes eaten by a man starting from the mouth as they move down the alimentary canal? Starting from mouth and then go to alimentary canal. In mouth, pancreatic amylase, salivary maltase, no, salivary amylase, then pancreatic amylase, then disaccharidase. In mouth, salivary amylase, then go to alimentary canal to stomach to small intestine, and then large intestine. In small intestine, HCl and activation of protein, and small intestine. In small intestine, pancreatic juice and bile juice enter, and then pancreatic amylase and disaccharidase activate and work on that food, chyme and then chyle. So, right answer is option A. These are the all solution for class 7th biology. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the 2025th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So today we discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 7 for mathematics subject. So let's start. So here we have question number 31st, that is: in triangle XYZ, if angle X is equal to 70 degree and angle Y is equal to 50 degree, then what is the measure of exterior angle of the vertex Z? So we draw a triangle. This is the triangle X, Y, Z. Okay. So here we have given angle X, that is 70 degree. Here we have angle Y, which is 50 degree. Now we have to find the measure of exterior angle of vertex Z. It means we have to find this angle. So we know this angle is equal to the sum of these two interior angles. So when we add 70 plus 50, we get that is 120 degree. So check which option is correct over here. It means option number B is the correct answer. If I talk about the next question, which is based on sequence, and the question is: consider the steps to construct a triangle given two sides and the included angle, and we have to use SAS criteria. So for this criteria, first we draw a line segment AB of length C. It means first we take Q. After draw a line segment AB, now next from A we draw a line segment AC. Okay, and after that it means which is equal to B, and here we have C. It means we take P. After this, at point A construct an angle which is equal to the given angle. Okay, then we construct this one. It means after Q P we take R and we take S. It means Q P R S. So Q P R S. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which of the following option is correct arranged in ascending order? Right, we have to find ascending order. So when I observe these options, so we have a fraction that is -1/2. So I know -1/2, it means 0.5, and we have a 1/4, it means 0.25. So the option number 1, here we have -1/2, it means -0.5, 0.05, 0.25, 0.3, and this is already arranged in ascending order. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. Okay, so now if I talk about the next question, which is based on adjacent and region, and the question is, and the adjacent is, in algebraic expression 2y square plus 3yz minus y square minus yz plus z square minus xyz, 2y square, 3yz, y square, yz, x square and xyz are the terms of the expression. No, this one is false, because in algebraic expressions terms also included the negative sign, and reason is the expression are made up of terms, and terms are added to make an expression. Okay, this one is true. It means the assertion is false and the reason is true. So here assertion is false and the reason is true. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is, in the given figure, line XY, okay, and MN intersect at O, and angle XOP, yani it means this one, and the angle YON, this one, which is equal to 85, and XOM, that is we already given 45 degree. Now we have to find the angle YON. We know this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, so I can set it the value of YON, which is equal to 45 degree. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is, of the following statement is true or false. So statement number 1, we have the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Yes, this one is true. If I talk about the next question, next, a triangle can have all its angle acute. Yes, this one is also true. A triangle can have all its angle acute, and this triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Okay, next, a right angle triangle cannot be equilateral. Yes, this statement is also true, because in an equilateral triangle all the angles are 60, 60 and 60 degree. Okay, difference of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. No, this one is false, because the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So the correct option is true, 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 false. So true, 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 false. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is 37, and the question is, the quotient when 0.00639 is divided by 0.213. So I can write here 0.00639 divided by 0.213. When I remove this decimal, so I can multiply by 1000. When I remove this decimal, so I can multiply by 1 lakh. So I can write here 30230, and 213 when 213, and 213 639. So I can write here 3/100. It means 0.00639. 3. The quotient is 0.03. So 0.03 this one. So I can say option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on paragraph, and the paragraph is Mani's childhood friend was suffering from serious injury on knee from a long time. So Mani went to hometown Amritsar to see his friend, which is 325 km away from his own town. Okay, this is the town T, and here we have, this is the Amritsar A, and the distance between town to Amritsar is 325 km. Okay, Mani covered 1/5 of his journey by bus. It means Mani covered journey by bus, that is 1/5 of total, that is 325. 2 to 7.5 by train. It means cover train by 2 to 7.5. Okay, and 16.25 by taxi. So I can write here taxi, that is 16.25, and rest by walk. Okay, so the question is, how much distance did he cover by bus? So by bus he covered 1/5 of total. So 1/5 multiply by 325. So when I simplify it, we get that is 65 kilometer. So here 65, it means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and the question is difference between the distance covered by train and by bus. So in last question we discussed the distance covered by bus, that is 65 kilometer, and the distance covered by train, which is 2 to 7.5. We have to find the difference, so I can write here 2 to 7.5, and 0.0 I can write here 65. When I subtract it, we get 5, we get 2, and 22 minus 6 we get, that is 16. So 162.5. So here 162.5 kilometer. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So in column 1 we have given equation, and in column 2 we have given the correct solution for x. So the P, here we have 7 bracket x minus 3 minus 2x is equal to 3x minus 1. So when I multiply by this one, so here I get, that is 7x minus 21 minus 2x, which is equal to 3x minus 1. So here we can say that 7x minus 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 21. So here we get 2x is equal to 20, and the value of x we get, that is 10. It means P is connected to 2. Okay, now if I talk about the Q, that is 5 minus 2x minus 3, which is equal to 4x minus 10. So I can write here 5 minus 3, it means 2. So I can write here minus 2x minus 4x is equal to minus 10 minus 2. So minus 6x is equal to minus 12, and the minus minus plus the value of x we get, that is 2. It means Q is connected to 3. So I can write here Q is connected to 3. Now if I talk about the R, that is x upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, which is equal to x upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. So I can write here x upon 2 minus x upon 4, which is equal to 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. So when I take LCM, so I can write here 4, 2x minus x is equal to 6, 5 plus 2. So I can write here x upon 4, which is equal to 7 upon 6. So 2, here we get 3. So the value of x we get, that is 14 upon 3. It means R is connected to 1. So I can write here R is connected to 1. Now last, that is S. So I can write here for S, 2.5 multiplied by x, that is 2.5x minus 2.5 multiplied by 4, that is 10 plus 0.5 is equal to 8. So I can write here 2.5x is equal to 18 minus 0.5. So 2.5x is equal to 17.5. So value of x, that is 17.5 divided by 2.5. When I simplifying it, we get, that is 7. So the value of x is equal to 7. It means S is connected to 4. So check which option is correct. 2, 3, 1, 4. So 2, 3, 1, 4. It means option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is if the ratio of two co-interior angle on the same side of a transversal is 7:8, the bigger angle of the two angles is. So we know the sum of two co-interior angle is 180 degree. So we know that is 7x plus 8x is equal to 180. When we add 7x plus 8x, we know 15x is equal to 180. The value of x we get, that is 180 divided by 15. It means 15 1 15, and here we remember 3 0 30, it means 12. The value of x we get 12. Now we have to find the bigger angle. Bigger angle is 8x. Okay, so 8 multiply 12, so we get 96 degree. It means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again sequence based, and the question is set the decimal number 2.05, 2.5, 2.005, 2.505. Arrange the following steps to order these decimals from smaller to larger. Right? So first we write down all the given decimals number. So here we take first Q. After write down all the decimals number, then we add trailing zeros to ensure all the numbers have the same number of decimals place for easier comparison. Then we take R. After taking R, we take P, compare the digits in tens place. If they are same, then move to hundredth place, and so on. Then we take P, and last step we take arrange the decimal based on the comparison from smaller to largest. It means then we take S. So the correct order is QRPS. So QRPS here, it means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is simplify the following expression. So here we have under root 32. So in under root 32 we can write 4 root 2. Under root 48 we can write 4 under root 3. Under root 8 we can write 2 under root 2. And under root 12 we can write 2 under root 3. So now here we take common 4. So I can write under root 2 plus under root 3. Here we can take common 2, so I can write under root 2 plus under root 3. It means under root 2 to under root 3. This one is the cancel out, so I can write 4 upon 2. So when I divide it, the get is 2. So the result is 2. It means option B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is assertion the supplement of half of 120 degree is 60 degree. So we have to find the supplement of half of 120. It means 1 by 2 multiply 120 degree, that is 60 degree. So we have to find the supplement of 60, that is 180 minus 60 degree. It means 120. But here we have given 60 degree. It means this statement is, this assertion is false. And if I talk about the reason is if two angles are supplement, then their sum is 180 degree. Yes, this one is true. So here we have assertion is false and the reason is true. So here assertion is false and the reason is true. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is in the given figure, triangle ABC is a triangle. Okay, ABC is a triangle and BC is equal to BD. So BC is equal to BD. It means the triangle BCD is a isosceles triangle. Okay, find the value of phi. So we know 28 plus 48, which is equal to this angle. Okay, so 28 plus 48, when we add, we get 676. So here this one is the 76. In isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. So the value of phi we get 76 degrees. So option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again based on a statement, and the statement first, that is the product of two monomial 3x square y multiply 2 upon 9 xy cube is a trinomial with the coefficient minus 2 upon 3. No, the product is also we get, that is minus 2 upon 3 x cube y ki power 4, which is again a monomial. So this statement is false. So next, if we subtract this expression from this, so I can write here 3b square minus 2ab plus 4a square. We subtract this one, so minus 5a square plus 7ab minus 3b square. When we are simplifying it, we can say that 3b square to 3b square, that is cancel out, minus 2ab plus 7ab, it means 5ab, and here we take minus a square. So I can say this one is true. So the correct second is true. Third, the identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus b square is true for all the real values of a and b. No, this one is false, because we know a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next, when 2x minus 3 is multiplied by this, then the product is equivalent to this. So here we have 4x square plus 6x plus 9 when we multiply by 2x minus 3. So we can say here we get 8x cube plus 12x square plus 18x minus 12x square, sorry, minus 18x minus 27. So this one 12x square to 12x square cancel out, this one to this one cancel out, and 8x cube minus 27. Yes, this one is also true. So the correct answer is false, true, false, true. So false, true, false, true. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is simplify the following. Okay, so we have to simplify this one, and we have given, that is 5 upon 4 minus 1.25. So I can write here 125 upon 100 divide by 1 by 2, 0.5, it means again 1 by 2 plus minus 3 upon, we know 3 1 3, 3 3 9, 7 1 7, 7 2 40, it means minus 2 upon 3 minus 21 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, bracket close, here we have bracket. So we know 25 5 is 125 and 25 4 is 100. So 5 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4, that is 0, and 0 divided by this number, the whole we get 0. So here we have a number, that is this one. So minus 2 upon 3 minus, we take LCM, that is 10. So I can write 21 minus 2. So minus 2 upon 3 minus 19 upon 10. Now we take LCM, that is 30. So I can write here minus 20, and here we get 19 3 ja 57. So here we get, that is minus 77 upon 30. So check which option is correct, minus 77 upon 30. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on paragraph, and the paragraph is a surveyor represented the roads connecting various landmarks nearby his home in the locality as shown below, and here we have given some landmarks. And okay, so now question is, if angle B is 5 upon 4 times of angle C, it means we have given the value of angle B, which is equal to the 5 upon 4 times of angle C, and they are supplement of each other, then the value of angle C, it means we have given the sum of angle B and C, which is equal to 180 degree. When I put the value of angle B is equal to 5 upon 4 times of angle C, so I can write here 5 upon 4 times of angle C plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So here we can write, we take LCM 4, so I can write here 5 times of angle C plus 4 times of angle C equal to 180 degree. So I can write here 9 upon 4 of angle C, which is equal to 180. So I can write here 9 1 9, 9 2 18, so 20. The value of angle C we get, that is 80 degree. Okay, so here we have to find the value of angle C, that is 80. It means option number C is the correct answer. So angle C here we have 80. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on same paragraph, and the question is, if angle C is equal to 60 degree, then which of the following is the correct? So we know the value of angle C is equal to 60 degree. So here we can say that the sum of angle A plus B, which is equal to angle C. So we know sum of angle A plus angle B, which is equal to angle C. It means the value of angle A plus the value of angle B is equal to 60 degree, condition number 1. Again we know this line and this is the parallel lines. So the in parallel lines the sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So I can write here B plus D is equal to 180 degree, and we know angle B, which is equal to 180 degree minus angle D. So when I put the value of angle B in equation 1, so I can write here angle A plus 180 degree minus angle D, which is equal to 60 degree. So I can write here angle A minus angle D is equal to 60 degree minus 180 degree. So I can write here angle A minus angle D is equal to minus 120 degree. Okay, so when I take minus common here, so I can write here minus angle D minus angle A is equal to minus 120 degree. Minus to minus cancel out, so I can write here angle D minus angle A is equal to 120 degree. So check which option is correct. Angle D minus angle A is equal to 120 degree. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and correct answer using the code given. In P we have two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Then these angles are known as complementary angle. It means P is connected to third. Now next, angle formed by intersecting lines that opposite to each other. It means this angle is known as vertically opposite angle. So Q is connected to 4. Now if I talk about the R, a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common arms form a straight line. So this is called linear pair angle. Okay, so I can write R is connected to 2, and last that is S. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree. It means these angles are supplementary angles. So S is connected to 1. So the correct answer is 3, 4, 2, 1. So 3, 4, 2, 1. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 7th reasoning conducted on 12 October 2024. Hope you did very well. So here we go. So now question number 51. In given number series, find the next term. So series is 6, 13, 28, 59 and after 59 next number is missing. So first find the pattern of the given number series. So 6 to 13, 13 is almost double of 6. 28, 28 means 28 almost double of 13. It means pattern is 6 multiply by 2, it means 12, plus 1, it means 13. Now 13 multiply by 2, it means 26, plus 2, it means 28. Now 28 multiply by 2, it means 56, plus 3, it means 59. So pattern is multiply by 2 plus 1, multiply by 2 plus 2, multiply by 2 plus 3. Now again 59 multiply by 2 plus 4, because plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, now plus 4. So 59 multiply by 2, it means 118. 118 plus 4, it means 122. So 122 is the next number of given number series. So here option C will be the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the next term. So series is 8, 64, 116, 512, 1000, 1728. After 1728, next number is missing. So first find the pattern of the series. 8, it means 2 cube. 64, it means 4 cube, because all are the all are the cube of the number. 216, it means 6 cube. 512, it means 512, it means 8 cube. 1000, it means 10 cube. And 1728, it means 12 cube. So pattern is 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube, 8 cube, 10 cube, 12 cube. Now similarly 14 cube. 14 cube, it means 2744. 14 cube, it means 2744. So here option B will be the correct answer. Option B shows the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. A man is facing towards the east. He then turns 45 degree anti-clockwise, again 180 degree anti-clockwise degree, and then 225 degree clockwise. In which direction is he facing now? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now according to question, a man is facing towards the east direction. A man is facing towards the, so starting facing of the man towards the east direction. Now he turns 45 degree anti-clockwise, again 180 degree anti-clockwise. So first count the total anti-clockwise turn. So total anti-clockwise turn is equals to 45 degree plus 180 degree, it means 225 degree. So he turns 225 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Now count the total clockwise turn. So he turns 225 degree in clockwise direction. He turns 225 degree in clockwise direction. So he takes 225 degree in anti-clockwise, and again he turns 225 degree in clockwise direction. So starting facing and the final facing of the man will remains the same. So final facing of the man towards the east direction. So option D is the correct answer of this question. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Now next question is question number 54. In this question, choose the correct mirror image from alternatives. Mn is a mirror. So the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of 9. So mirror image of 9 looks something like this, and then find the mirror image of 6. So this is the mirror image of 6, and next find the mirror image of 1. This is the mirror image of 1. Next find the mirror image of 2. So this is the mirror image of 2, and then find the mirror image of 8. So this is the mirror image of 8. Next find the mirror image of 5. So this is the mirror image of 5, and finally find the mirror image of 4. So this is the mirror image of 4. So this is the correct mirror image of given numbers. So here option A is the correct answer of this question, because option A shows the correct mirror image of given number. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is, in this question choose the correct voter image from given alternatives. So find the voter image of given figure. So in the voter image, the part of an object which is near to the voter, so it will remains near to the voter in the voter image. So first find the voter image of this part. So this part, voter image of this part will looks something like this. And then find the voter image of this part. So voter image of this part will looks something like this. And then find the voter image of SIR. So voter image of S looks something like this, voter image of I like this, and this is the voter image of R. And then find the voter image of triangle. So voter image of this part looks something like this, and voter image of this part look like this. So this is the correct voter image of given figure. So here option D is the correct voter image of given figure. So option D shows the correct voter image of given figure. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Now next question is question number 56. In a class, the rank of Vikas is 13 from the top and 16 from the bottom. The total number of students in the class are. So in a class, rank of Vikas from the top is 13 and rank of Vikas from the bottom is 16. Then find the total number of students in this class. So find the total number of students of the class is equals to top position plus bottom position of the same person minus 1. So top position of Vikas is 13 plus bottom position of Vikas is 16 minus 1. 13 plus 16, it means 29 minus 1. 29 minus 1, it means 28. So there are 28 students in this class. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So here option B is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs that can sequentially replace the asterisk signs and balance the given equation. So equation is 75 asterisk 85 asterisk 17 asterisk 12 asterisk 6 asterisk 8. So in these questions, options are taking one by one and then check which one will follow correctly. So first taking option A. So now according to option A, 75, first asterisk means multiply 85, second asterisk means minus 17, third asterisk means divided by 12, fourth asterisk means plus 6, and last it means is equals to 8. So now using Bodmas rule in this equation, so first divide the numbers. So 75 multiply by 85 minus 17 divided by 12 plus 6 is equals to 8. So value of this part is not a complete number because 17 not completely divisible by 12. So value of this part is not equals to a complete number. It means 8. So option A is a incorrect option. Now taking option B. Now according to option B, so first asterisk means plus 75 plus 85. Second asterisk means divided by 17. Third it means minus 12. Fourth it means multiply by 6 is equals to, fifth means is equals to 8. Now using Bodmas rule in this equation, so first divide the numbers. So 75 plus 85 divided by 17. It means 5 minus 12 into 6 is equals to 8. Now multiply the numbers. So 75 plus 5 minus 12 multiplied by 6. It means 72 is equals to 8. 75 plus 5, it means 80 minus 72 is equals to 8. 80 minus 72, it means 8 always equals to 8. Yes, option V is the correct answer of this question. So because option B balance the equations, so here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. Which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? So equation is 225 plus 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 minus 7 is equals to 133. In these questions, options are taking one by one and then check which one will follow correctly. So now first taking option A. According to option A, interchange the minus and divide. So equation is 225 plus 5 multiplied by 3. Divide, it means minus 5, minus it means divided by 7 is equals to 133. So first divide the numbers. Divide the numbers. 5 divided by 7. So 5 not completely divisible by 7. So value of this equation is not a natural number. So here option A is a incorrect option. Now taking option B. According to option B, plus and interchange the plus and multiply. So equation is 225 plus it means multiply 5. Multiply it means plus 3 divided by 5 minus 7 is equals to 133. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation. So first divide the numbers. 3 divided by 5. 225 multiplied by 5 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 7 is equals to 133. So value of this equation is not a complete number because 3 is not completely divisible by 5. So value of this equation is not a natural number. So option B also a incorrect option. So now taking option C. According to option C, interchange the plus and divide. So now equation is 225 plus it means divided by 5 multiply 3 divide it means plus 5 minus 7 is equals to 133. So first divide the numbers according to BODMAS. So 225 divided by 5. 225 divided by 5 it means 45 multiply by 3 plus 5 minus 7 is equals to 133. 45 multiply by 3. 45 multiply by 3 it means 135 plus 5 minus 7 is equals to 133. 135 plus 5 it means 140 minus 7 is equals to 133. 140 minus 7 it means 133 is equals to 133. Yes, 133 always equals to 133. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. In a row of 21 girls and all are facing towards north, when Monica was shifted by 4th place towards the right, she becomes 12th from the left, and what was her earlier position from the right end of the row? Let's suppose this is a row and this is the left side of the row and this is the right side of the row. Here is Monica. Let's suppose here is Monica and Monica facing towards the north. So it means this is the right direction of the Monica and this is the left direction of the Monica. Now Monica was shifted by 4th place towards the right. When Monica was shifted 4th place towards right. So it means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is Monica. Now here is Monica. And position of Monica is 12th from the left. So newly position of Monica from the left is 12. So first find the earlier position of Monica from the left. newly position of Monica is 12 and Monica was shifted by 4th place. So it means 12 minus 4, it means 8. So earlier position of Monica from the left is 8. Now find the earlier position of Monica from the right end. Find the earlier position of Monica from the right end. So here total girls is equals to 21. So now formula is total is equals to earlier left position of Monica plus earlier right position of Monica minus 1. So here total is equals to 21 is equals to earlier left position of Monica is equals to 8 plus earlier right position of Monica is not given minus 1. So earlier right position of Monica is equals to 21 minus 8 plus 1. So 21 minus 8, it means 13 plus 1. 13 plus 1, it means 14. So earlier position of Monica from the right end is 14. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Find the completely unfolded figure of Z. So unfold the paper in the same direction when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold the Z. So Z will be unfolded in this direction because Y has been folded in this direction. So it means Z will be unfolded in this direction. So unfold this paper, then we get a image something like this. And mirror image of this part will looks something like this. Now this paper will be unfolded in this direction because this paper has been folded in this direction, then it means this paper will be unfolded in this direction. So when unfold this paper in this direction, then we get image something like this. And mirror image of this part looks like as follows. This is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So here option A is the correct answer of this question because option A shows the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. So we have completed the paper solution. We hope you have understood it very well. If you have any query or doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the Matrix Olympiad website and click Ask the Doubt option and write your doubt there. And all kind of new information will be shared on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also get the new updates on our WhatsApp channel. You can join the Matrix WhatsApp channel for new updates regarding the Olympiad and other information. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.